Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new on the QuickBooks Online accountant, or you want to sign as a accountant on any company, and for before that you want to practice or you want to apply for the job as an accountant on QuickBooks as a bookkeepers. So if you want to practice and you want to try a new workflow or a new feature, you want to learn a new tools on QuickBooks, then you must need to practice more on QuickBooks. But if you are new, you don't have a company, so how you can get a company on QBO as an accountant for learning more and more from QuickBooks, how you can keep all the books clear and keep all the clients details, all the transactions, all the invoices clearly on QuickBooks. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks accountant version. This is not accountant version, so you can log into your QuickBooks accountant version. So when you have log into your accountant version, you can see here is a guide that you have to do is click the settings icon. Here you can find the gear icon in the top right corner, where you can find the profile section. You can find the sample company here. Before the switch company, you can find the sample company. Once you have select sample company, it will help you to give all A to Z from scratch to all the advanced details about a company as a demo details of a demo company. Those are not a real-time data or any original or legit data from a company. This is only demo purposing for learning or testing any other features. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.